everyone. I'm an anatomy teacher and at the department anatomy. So we teach the students like this condition. We have a huge opportunity for teaching students. As you see here, we can use during the lesson two parts. Our lesson will be practical and lexical classes. During the lexical classes, we will show you the students skeleton, muscles, smart word, 3D models also. So after this, the students enter to the practical and they will show to us about what are they learning.
Hello, my name is Dildora, my surname is Sultanova. I'm working here during 10 years and I'm a biochemistry teacher here. I teach students that came from Jordan, India, Pakistan and another parts of our country and world. I teach here to the students, and you know that our students are new. We have a new camp. There are a lot of study rooms here, and we have laboratory, chemistry laboratory room, biochemistry room laboratory that are located at the clinic part of our institute. And what I want to say about our institute, there are a lot of outstanding teachers here. We teach freely. Our students come here and we communicate with them freely because you know that I like my subject, because my subject is basic in the medicine, and you know that it's so interesting to know biochemistry, because if you know biochemistry, you know pharmacology, you know anatomy, you know pathophysiology, you know physiology, and I can say that biochemistry is this is the main subject. So welcome to our institute.